Hello, I'm David, technician at AVADirect Custom Computers, America's leader in custom computing solution, home to over 20,000 unique components. Today, we're going to be doing our full review of the Sunny Side Up Design Xhuttle. That's with an X. And I built in this case, and I really like it. I thought that I would enjoy it quite a bit when I was unboxing it. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that one out first. But I'd like it a lot. I mean, cable management is super easy. The AIO can be installed onto this removable bracket and then put it in the case. The motherboard was easy to put in. There's a really nice cable cover here that I thought would be useful, but it covers your 24 pin, your 3.0, your USB-C, some fan, RGB. Really hides your cable management really well. I do enjoy the removable top as well. It gets really easy access to your USB ports, your display ports, your audio. It continues to the back here, so you can run your cables down and have them come out. So your normal cable management to your monitor and your mouse and your keyboard and everything like that stays exactly the same, but because it's rotated 90 degrees, it's a little easier to work with. Instead of going behind your system, you can just plug into the top. Airflow is fantastic. These fans that come in pre-installed are actually really nice. And for the GPU, I saw that we still had an EVGA card, so I threw that in here because rest in peace EVGA, gone but never forgotten. We miss you. For the AIO, this is our in-house white 360mm radiator, and that's going to be on a Core Ultra 9 285K. Core Ultra 9 285K. That's their newest flagship processor. For the board, we have an MSI Z890-P Wi-Fi. So all in all, this build's actually quite high end that we put in this. But thermals are still fantastic, even with such a high end processor. For the power supply, we went with the 1000 watt unit from XPG. I just grabbed this one because it has the nice white cables that I thought would look really nice in the build. But the main thing is, I mean, the RGB looks great. I like the RGB strip on the front. RGB fans are fantastic, and they're pre-wired, so they were dead simple to connect. But on the back, there's great cable management. I'll go ahead and turn it around and open it up to show you. So now if you look for your cable management, there's a nice channel here for your fan connections and RGB connections. Your 8-pin EPSs come out here, so that's a pretty simple run. A lot of it hidden behind here, but all this was already cable managed, so really nice cable management. This only took about maybe 45-ish minutes to all put together, which when you're in the industry, the faster that you can put together a system, the better. So this just makes it dead simple, and we really like the case for that as well. You know, if anything that can help our workflow and that benefits us, is also going to benefit the consumer, because a consumer that buys this case is going to have a breeze. Even if you've never built a system, you're going to be able to build a clean looking system with good airflow, with hardly any practice whatsoever. Some other notable features: I like the GPU support bracket. It's actually really well done. Once you get your GPU, you just slide it up, screw it down. If this was the alternative inverted ATX mount, you could move it over to this side there and still hold your GPU up. This is the default way to build it. But I noticed that if you do want to do inverted ATX, you really don't have to choose immediately, because the only difference is the feet get removed and you can just put them on the bottom of the case. So if you build this kind of configuration and you go, you know, I kind of like that, but it's not really for me. It's as simple as just removing the feet, putting them on the bottom, and then you have a completely different form factor. So at $139.99, I definitely think that this case punches way above its weight class. The integrated RGB, the multiple form factors, the pre-installed fans, not just fans, they're RGB fans and they're reverse flow. There's a lot of effort been put into this, and again, at that price, it's kind of a steal. I mean, I wouldn't be upset putting a pretty high-end system in this. Yeah, I wouldn't at all. Put a 4090 in this. We have a Core Ultra 9 in it. Like, it's not. There's no need to go any really higher end than this. I mean, this has the compatibility to fit most things in it and look great. So again, $139.99. I mean, that's just a good price. That's where I like cases to be around, honestly. Anything lower than that, I mean, you could get a case for less than that, but they're gonna be a little cheaper. They're not gonna be as nice metal as this. Cable management will be noticeably worse, and they're probably not gonna come with as nice fans. And any higher than this, really, you're just getting into expensive territory where it's like, yeah, you could spend another $100 in a case, but wouldn't you rather have the next higher up processor or the next higher up GPU or twice as much RAM? So this case is just going to fit a lot of people's budgets, and it's just going to make a lot of sense. Once again, my name is David. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure to give us a subscribe. We post videos like this every single week. If you want to buy a system like this, go ahead and check out AVADirect.com or contact our sales team. They'll outfit you with the perfect system. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviadrock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation-based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community. And you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.